What's up, guys? Back out here on a Scotsman Prodigy Ice Machine. This is a C0530MA. The call we got was not making any ice, and it would actually make one batch of ice and then quit. The alarm was flashing 1, which was max freeze. Retrying. When I checked it the other day, we would get the water pump was working and was making ice. It would go into harvest, and then we would lose the pump, and the pump would never come back on again. When I took apart the wiring going to the pump, we were losing our voltage there. I could run it in the clean cycle, and the pump would come back on, but when it would go through, basically it would get halfway through this cycle, pump would stop working. So we're going to see if that does it again. I've since ordered a control board for it and a couple other spare parts in case we need them in the future. But we're going to see what happens here. So hang tight. Just started it up. We're about 2 minutes into a freeze cycle. All right, so it just stopped pumping again. See, there's no water dropping. The machine's still running. We're calling for water pump should be on, so I'm going to take a voltage reading back here. That blue wire goes over here to the pump. All right, so I've got my test lead pushed in the back there on the blue, and on the neutral it's a 115 volt motor. We've got nothing. So let me shut it off, because I know it's going to go on and on. And then we'll put it back into clean mode and see if we get our pump to come back on. And if that's the case, we're still going to change the board and see if that corrects our problem. There you go. So the pump just came back on again. We're getting power now. But I have got this shutting down. And we just lost the pump again. You can hear the condenser fan cycling off and on. There's no water rolling over the evaporator, which is creating a low pressure situation. And as you can see, it's still calling for water pump to be on. The light is lit up there. All right, so now we're gonna put it into a clean mode, and that pump will come back on. Just like that. All right, we're gonna swap out this board and see if this corrects that problem. All right, so I've got it unplugged, power's off, and we'll just start by pulling all our harnesses off of there and remove that board. We do have to set up the new board. It has a selector right there, and it needs to be, we're working with a 530. It should be on number 1. Currently it looks like it's reading that it's set for F. So we'll adjust that. 0, 1. So we got all that wired in. Selector switch is set. Let's give it some juice. All right, let's see what happens. Here the pump came on. All right, we're back into a freeze cycle. Probably a little bit of ice gonna roll off of it. Yeah, it started making some ice. The pump is definitely working. Will it stay on? That's the question. All right, so we're about 6 minutes into this freeze cycle. Still got water. Still got voltage. And our indicator light is still on. Right around 20 minutes or so, this thing should be going into harvest. Okay, we're about 17 minutes into it. Getting close. Still in freeze. Pump is still working this whole time. Water level is getting low. Just a matter of a minute or two here. And yes, that is a new water filter cartridge. No, they don't consume this ice. This is just for sport-related injuries, stuff like that. So, and you see the scale and stuff on here. The water is horrible around here, but we did ensure that the plate was clean and the distributor was clean when we were out here previously diagnosing that board. All right, we're right at about 19 minutes here. All right, 22 minutes. Our ready to harvest light was on. Heard the hot gas valve just open. We still have power on our pump. That should go off and on. And our line is getting hot there. Okay, there we go. First batch. All right, our pump came back on. And we're starting over again, the next freeze cycle. So we'll watch it for a couple more batches. Hopefully that's all that's going to be wrong with it is that board. But unfortunately, you got to babysit these things and see if any other problems are going to arise. All right, there's batch 2. This one was right at 23 minutes before it hit harvest. Still working. All right, this is batch number 3, roughly 23 minutes. Looks like we've got it fixed. So changing the board, stopped that intermittent pump stopping problem, and we got ice again. So there you have it. Scotsman Prodigy Ice Machine repair. It's the C0530MA 1E. And originally the code was 1 flashes max freeze retry. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you got any comments, questions, leave them down below. And I'll see you in the next video.